What's up guys, just want to quickly show you a little DIY tool that's made life so much easier planting small seeds. I'm quickly gonna make one just to show you how easy it is. We take these name tags that you get from the nursery. I take the heat gun. I just heat it up a little bit. And then I just bend it up. And I'm going to show you why this thing works so nice. So these tags have a little bit of a brim, and then the back side is flat. I use the side that's got a little bit of a brim, because then the seeds don't just slide out. You can like pick them out, one by one, and just like that. Now we're just gonna angle it down a bit just to make it a more practical working angle. Just going to put I bent it the wrong way. Almost like a little scoop shovel. And then we just add a bend in there. And there you go. Now you can throw your seed in there, quite a few at a time, and then you take another one and then you just go choop, choop, choop. What I did do also is I melted the tip and made it a bit flat so that the seeds that you drop in, you've got some surface area and you can like press down onto the seed. And I just fatten up that tip a bit. And that's it. Let me quickly show you how easily this thing works. This is some of the heirloom rosa lettuce that we are starting some seedlings just to get in that rolling motion. And then all you do is I scrape them back a bit, and then it's very easy to very accurately with this improvise tool do quite a bit of seed, quite precise. It saves so much time compared to wanting to do it with just the fingers. And then when I'm done with it, then you can see them, and then you can just press them down into the perlite to the depth that you want them very accurately. And that's the first, I think it's 20, yeah, first 20 done, just like that, right depth. So much easier, helps us speed it up quite a bit. Thought I'd share it with you guys and record something, because we keep saying we will but we don't.